Today we're going to revisit popping nested balloons in slow motion. Guys, not too long ago we put out a video where we put balloons inside, and lots of layers of balloons. And then we popped them, filming it in slow motion with Todd here from Kuma Films, with his incredible camera and knowledge. Here's the basic idea. You guys seem to like our balloons inside other balloons popped in slow motion. So today we're filling them with water, colored powder, and fire.
I wasn't here for the first video, so this is just going to be a fun time all around.
I'm excited. The first one was fun.
Yeah.
Let's get started.
Sweet. Let's do it.
Should be good.
Okay, we're set. Whenever you're ready.
3, 2, 1. That certainly kept the shape pretty entertainingly.
Yeah.
I watched it just like teardrop shape fall almost all the way down.
That is so cool.
So cool.
Just looks like it's a giant teardrop.
We should also slow it down so we can see the balloon peeling away,
yeah.
because it still only was there
Pretty
for like
quick
2
split
frames.
second, yeah. We're at 9,200 frames.
3, 2, 1.
Yes.
That's what I wanted
So
to
cool.
see. You can see the seam line where the balloon ripped in the water still, just because splitting opposite directions there.
So cool.
Like a part of the water. I like it.
I like it.
Nice.
We should do more.
Yeah, let's do another one.
So we were just testing, making sure that we had all the camera settings right with just plain water balloons. Nate now has a nested water balloon. So balloons inside of balloons inside of balloons, but also water.
Well, it's only 2 layers so far. There's
okay.
1 balloon inside the purple balloon. And then there's water in between and in the middle. You ready to go?
Yeah, do
3,
it.
2, 1.
Yes, good.
I like how it always takes the GoPro away.
Goodbye, GoPro. Goodbye.
I saw a different color balloon in there.
It's there, but yeah, you don't really see the water get out of the way. You just sort of see pink, and then that also pops.
And then there, you can see a very thin.
So I think that with the next one, let's just try setting it on the ground, and I'll pop slower.
I like it.
3, 2, 1. Well, I think they probably all just popped at the same time again.
You can kind of see the orange. You can definitely see the
Yeah,
yellow.
the
yellow
orange,
comes through, yeah.
orange went like immediately. So I think that they're all 3 like floating at the top. So for the next one, I think what I'm going to want to do.
And you popped it from the bottom.
Yeah, we could try that. 3, 2, 1. I feel like I saw distinct colors.
Good.
In full speed. You just barely got any on you, honestly. That worked pretty good in my opinion.
That was great.
And so I didn't actually pop up at all. I popped the first one, and everything else I think was it falling
into
Perfect.
it. Oh, that's
it.
cool.
I think that's what
Good.
happened. Getting through all 6 of these balloons is going to be a little bit tricky, I think. It's very possible that as a balloon pops, the popped balloon could get stuck on the stick, and that would create a lot of drag. So I don't know how well I'll get through all of them. I might get through like 2, or like the water might just deflect the stick, so I miss. I'll try and just go through all of them, but it's kind of like a weird scything swing. All right, here goes nothing. 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
That worked great.
Wow.
That did sound
was
awesome.
so cool. Look at the colors on.
Yeah, there's still rainbow in the water.
That's so pretty.
Started with red, came over to purple. Whew, I'm glad that worked that well.
It's like the water isn't even done falling from the first.
That's kind of what I'm watching, is like how many balloons did I get through before that first balloon had like puddled.
That's really cool. But yeah, because it looked like all the colors dispersed almost immediately, like at the same time. What a rainbow.
So this balloon, it's a single balloon, it's not nested. There is colored powder inside. 3, 2, 1.
Pretty.
3, 2, 1. That was great.
Neat.
That was much more explodey powder. Yeah.
Yay! Yeah, that was cool. Look at the inside of this balloon.
Holy blue. Oh, it was blue stretched out and then compressed. It's like a concentrated blue. So I bet you stretch it back out.
It goes that pale blue again.
Well, you just get the orange showing through. But yeah, it's like concentrated powder. So this balloon here has 3 balloons, red on the outside, then purple, then orange, and each one has a matching colored powder on the inside. We'll see if we can see each of the individual powders and layers, or if it's just kind of suddenly a cloud of mixed together colors. 3, 2, 1. That's a cloud of powder. It looked like all one color cloud of powder. Got a large balloon. Callie filled it with a bunch of powder. I think it's mixing a couple colors, like red and orange or something.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna use the vacuum to fill it up until it explodes.
I'll be on the other side of the yard. I don't do well with exploding noises. Sorry, Nate.
Here goes.
Oh no. Oh no. I'm starting to be very concerned. What the? That is so cool.
Let's do it again.
I love it. I love it.
Well, we got our first balloon pop. A lot of red powder on the ground here, as you can see. Some of it got my feet on our GoPro here. And we're gonna do this again. We've got some orange and yellow powder this time in our nice turquoise balloon. I think it should be a decent contrast.
That was amazing. That was so cool.
I like it. There's just poof, dust everywhere.
Gone.
But very little on me,
Yeah.
weirdly enough.
There's no like, oh, there's a cloud, but it's not really on the grass this time.
And I did a much better job of keeping it in the air, like hitting the bottom of the balloon. More of it was circulating in the air, so it didn't like settle as much. I like that.
Wow, that is really cool.
This balloon is full of propane. So we've got a sparkler on a stick, and we're gonna light it.
It's gonna be great.
Ready?
Wow, that was much larger than I was expecting. Boom.
Neat.
Cool, that is neat.
That is neat. Okay, ready?
Yep.
It didn't light the second.
There we go.
Okay.
Hey, we
Too
were
much
able to get
breeze,
both
not
up.
enough propane.
Yeah.
It's fine.
It's fine, it still worked. It was still awesome.
Perfect.
Beautiful.
Money. Good work, team.
Awesome.
All right, guys, that was a ton of fun. Slow motion balloon popping part 2 with water, colored powder, and with fire. If there's anything else you'd like to still see us do in slow motion with balloons, let us know. Maybe we'll try it out.
And Todd, thank you so much. Todd from Kuma Films, everyone. We couldn't have done without you.
Thank you, guys. It was
Definitely
fun.
go check out Kuma Films. Totally worth a look. A lot of amazing footage on there.
Appreciate it, guys.
Guys, that was so much fun, but you know we've always got more for you to see. If you like this kind of content, make sure to hit that button to subscribe so you never miss out on the fun. We'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.